Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Google Pixel Fold. Begin by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, tap on the same options on both smartphones. Begin by tapping on I agree and I acknowledge. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Click on Close in the white pop-up at the top and tap on History at the bottom of both devices. To access Personalize your ad pop-up. In it, select the best option for you. And wherever you decided, click on Close this window. Now with this pop-up out of our way, you can select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Pixel. Now, after going back to an Android, tap on one of those categories available at the top and decide which files you wish to send. You can do that to all of those categories the same way. When you're ready, choose Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Google Pixel Fold. Now allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the QR code. If you want to, you can always input this key by choosing Input Key section and typing in all of those numbers in correct order. Last but not least, to connect, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!